February isn't going out quietly. In fact, we are gearing up for a pure snowstorm to come our way with some higher totals, especially on either side of the Hudson River. Those areas shaded in pink will go under a winter storm warning starting at 7 o'clock this evening. That is from the Capital District westward out into the Mohawk Valley, through the Catskills, the Adirondacks, then over into western New England, also a winter storm warning. In between, it's a winter weather advisory across Washington, Rensselaer, Columbia, and Dutchess counties. Some shadowing, meaning some lower snowfall totals in those areas have brought down at least the intensity of some of the snow accumulations, but still for everyone, travel is going to become difficult as the system rolls into town later on this evening and through the start of the day tomorrow. The storm's still back in Iowa. In fact, it's triggering some severe weather across parts of the Midwest and the plains. We're not concerned about that because we got plenty of cold air in place, that it is going to be all snow this time around. Haven't been able to say that too often this winter. So as we go through your Monday, we will see an uptick in cloud cover as the day goes on. Few flurries may be possible into the evening commute, but the snow really kicks in between about 7 and 10 o'clock. In fact, there will be some periods of heavy snow as we go through the overnight hours. Some snowfall rates could be on the order of about an inch per hour. Towards tomorrow morning, snow covers may become a little bit more scattered temporarily, but then it will start to fill back in during the middle part of the day. Temperatures will be climbing to just above the freezing mark, so a few raindrops may want to try and mix in, especially into some lower spots. All in all, that's not going to do much to cut down on the snow production, as things then will be winding down as we enter the evening hours tomorrow. So that area just to the east of the Hudson River where we saw that winter weather advisory, that's where we are expecting some of the lower snowfall totals to come out of. Meanwhile, the Adirondacks, some of the hill towns of Albany County, back into the Catskills, also for the Greens, easily picking up about a foot of snow with this system. I think across most of the Capital District, at least for Albany and Troy, we're probably going to be more about that 4 to 6 inch range, but rather quickly numbers could be jumping as we get just a little bit farther away from the Hudson River. So today, increasing clouds. It will be seasonably chilly with a high of 33. Snow will kick in between about 7 and 10. It will be heavy at times through the overnight, so some issues traveling even through tomorrow morning. Snow is going to be ongoing Tuesday. March meteorological spring will begin on Wednesday. Temperatures get a little mild bump there into the 40s, but more snow is coming as we close out the week and look towards the weekend. That's certainly going to be a storm to watch. So bookending the week with snow chances this week.
Even bigger than what we're seeing tomorrow potentially?
Too early to say, but something we're going to watch certainly.
Okay. Got it.